Moving internationally to or from Australia? Here are 5 expert tips to avoid shipping delays, hidden costs, and customs headaches. No fluff, just facts. Not all international movers offer door-to-door service. Some stop at the port and leave you handling customs and local delivery. Confirm it's door-to-door before booking. Australia has strict customs laws. Commonly restricted items include wood furniture, soil traces, food, and even outdoor equipment. A good mover will help you prep documents and avoid fines. International shipping always carries risk. Make sure marine cargo insurance is part of your quote, especially for high-value or fragile items. Air freight is faster but costly. Sea freight is cheaper but slower. If you're shipping a full household, sea is better. For urgent or minimal items, go air. Don't accept vague pricing. Demand an itemized quote showing packing, pickup, shipping, customs handling, and delivery, plus estimated transit time. 3 Movers is trusted worldwide for international relocations to and from Australia. We offer door-to-door shipping, customs clearance assistance, full-service packing marine insurance options, transparent pricing with no surprises. We move from Melbourne to London. 3 Movers handled everything from packing to customs. Not a single item damaged. Exactly what we needed. Ready to move internationally to or from Australia? Get your free quote from 3 Movers today. Licensed, transparent, reliable.